Welcome to wildflowerweb.co.uk, your ultimate guide to exploring the beauty and diversity of wildflowers across the United Kingdom. With well over 2,000 UK species listed on our website, you're sure to find what you're looking for. At wildflowerweb.co.uk, we have made it easy for you to search for the flower species you're interested in. Simply click on the Find a Flower link on the top menu bar and enter the name of the species you're looking for. You can also search for a flower by its habitat, type, size, bloom time, flower color, number of petals, and frequency using the Advanced Search option. Once you have entered your search criteria, our website will provide you with a list of results matching your search.
Each flower species on wildflowerweb.co.uk has its own page, which consists of photos, videos, blogs, and other text about things such as plant identification, conservation, ecological importance, uses and history of the plant, plus distribution maps of all the flowers, and more. On wildflowerweb.co.uk, every flower species has its dedicated page that showcases a comprehensive range of content. These pages include high-quality photographs, engaging videos, informative blogs, and other textual descriptions that cover various aspects of the flower, such as plant identification, conservation, ecological significance, historical uses, and more. Additionally, you can find distribution maps for all the flowers, and much more valuable information on these pages. When you find a flower you're interested in, simply click on its name in the search results, and you will be taken to its page. On this page, you will find a wealth of information about the flower, including its characteristics, how to identify it, where it can be found, and much more.
If you're interested in exploring all the flower species listed on our website, simply click on the Flower Index option on the top menu bar. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the species on the site. From here, you can click on any flower species to access its page and learn more about it.
In addition to the search options available on the top menu bar, we also have a left-hand menu where you can search for plants by habitat. This menu allows you to browse through different types of habitats, such as woodlands, meadows, and wetlands, and find the species that grow there. This is a great option for those who are interested in exploring the different types of habitats where wildflowers can be found.
Furthermore, wildflowerweb.co.uk also has a YouTube channel, which you can find by clicking on our YouTube channel link on the homepage of our website. Our YouTube channel features informative and engaging videos about different types of wildflowers. We also showcase some of the most interesting wildflowers found across the UK.
If you enjoy our website and YouTube channel, we encourage you to like and subscribe to our content. By doing so, you will be helping us to spread the word about the beauty of wildflowers and the importance of preserving their habitats. So, please take a moment to show your support and stay up to date with our latest videos and articles.
Wildflowerweb.co.uk is your go-to website for exploring the diverse and stunning world of UK wildflowers. With our easy-to-use search options, comprehensive articles, and extensive list of species, you're sure to find what you're looking for. So why wait? Start exploring today and discover the beauty of wildflowers on wildflowerweb.co.uk.